I have been really enjoying creating decal guides for you lately, so I thought it was about time that I put together a Mother's Day guide. Check out some of my previous videos for Halloween, Easter, Valentine's Day and more if you need some inspiration for other holidays too. In this video though, I'm just going to go over a few ideas for decals that you can make or sell or both this Mother's Day. Don't forget that if you're selling, to cover all different spelling types as well as grandmas, great-grandmas, mother-in-laws, stepmothers, mums plural and any other alternative that you can think of. Flower pot or vase. Flowers are great and are a classic Mother's Day staple, but why not give them something that will last a lot longer by selling quotes or names that are suitable for pots or vases. These are really easy to showcase too, either by making your own example or there are quite a few blank plant pot and vase pictures on Canva that you can use as mock-ups too. Bath caddy. This is such a popular present, so if it has been already given in the past, maybe it's time to personalise it. I'm kind of thinking of the more smooth, sanded, wooden bath caddies. They would probably be the easiest to add decals to. However, you do just need to let them know to let the vinyl cure for 72 hours before getting it wet. If you're selling them, you could even try and partner up with a bath caddy small business and they could promote you and vice versa and expand your customer base that way. Frame decals. I love using decals on frames to make them a bit more custom and special, especially because they can be removed and reused for a future occasion or if you want to switch up the photo and the message. So they're perfect for that. Just make sure that if you're selling them, you're making the dimensions clear so people know whether they will fit on their frames or not. Scrapbooks. I've definitely mentioned scrapbooks previously because I just think they're such a thoughtful gift. They can be filled full of memories or they can be left blank so that they can be filled with future experiences instead. These are perfect for a new mum or a new grandma in particular, so they can add lots of photos in there of them as they experience things with the new baby. Glass decals, but reframe them as Mother's Day. If you already sell name labels for glasses and cups, then be sure to create a new listing or edit an existing one to promote these for Mother's Day specifically, so that anyone looking for ideas will come across them. And again, don't just go for generic Mother's Day ideas, go for the whole spectrum of mothers and mother-like figures so that you're competing against less sellers and you can do something that stands out. Plaque or sign decals. There are a lot of matriarchs out there that love a good inspirational sign. And there are so many good quotes and designs out there to choose from that will be great to keep up all year, not just on Mother's Day. Check out design bundles for lots of pre-made quotes and designs, or if you need some good mock-up files to show off your design as well. You could also sell these as mirror decals. They don't necessarily need to go on signs. DIY kit. Then for the crafty mama who loves to make everything themselves, why not put together a decal kit? This could be for scrapbooking, it could be a sheet of labels for organising their office or their toiletries. It could be a sheet of plant names that they can put on pots or make plant labels with. The possibilities are endless when it comes to crafty mamas, basically. Iron-ons. If you sell HTV, then there are so many choices for you there as well. Think cute designs for cushions, tote bags, makeup bags, pyjamas, blankets, pot holders, slippers, and so much more. As always, just make sure you're giving very clear application instructions. I have printable ones for sale on Etsy if you need some. So those were just a few ideas. Hopefully they can give you some inspiration. As always, don't forget to check out lots of the design sites like Creative Fabrica and Creative Market and Pinterest for even more inspiration. Do let me know in the comments what you're going to be making and selling this Mother's Day, and please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more videos like this in future.